Unpacking, Mom's Cooking, a warm slice of English idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's packed with warmth, memories, and a hint of nostalgia. Mom's cooking. This expression is more than just words. It's about the feeling it evokes and the cultural significance it carries. Get ready to savor the meaning and usage of this heartwarming phrase. When we talk about mom's cooking, we're referring to the food prepared by one's mother. It's often associated with comfort, love, and a unique taste that only mom can bring to the table. This phrase can conjure up specific dishes, the smell of spices and herbs, and the warmth of the family kitchen. Beyond the literal sense, mom's cooking is a powerful metaphor for comfort, safety, and the irreplaceable feeling of home. It's not just about the food. It's about the memories and emotions tied to those family meals. This phrase might be used to describe anything that feels as good as a meal made by mom. In many cultures, mom's cooking is elevated to a symbol of maternal love and care. It's a universal language that transcends borders, representing the labor of love that goes into every family meal. This phrase can also indicate a standard of quality when comparing food. Mom's cooking is often seen as the best. Mom's cooking is commonly used in conversational English, often when reminiscing or expressing a desire for something genuine and heartfelt. For example, one might say, "This restaurant is great, but it just doesn't beat mom's cooking." Using this phrase can also express a personal connection or endorse the quality of food. Saying, "It's like mom's cooking," is a high compliment, suggesting that something is made with care and has a homemade touch. We hope this exploration of mom's cooking has given you a taste of its depth and the warmth it brings to the English language. It's a phrase that's simple at first glance but rich with meaning and sentiment. Until our next linguistic journey, keep savoring the flavors of English expressions and their stories. Happy learning!